Welcome to homework.
The bearing from A to C was 64 degrees west of north. So 64 degrees west of north to a point B, and then from B to C was, oh, I'm sorry, that was A to C. And from A to B was 82 degrees west of south. And so 82 degrees west of south oh, actually, it would be like this. Yeah. Not to scale here. And the bearing from B to C is 26 degrees east of north. Do it this way. The 26 degrees east of north would be here. Okay. Now that we've got this, let me recreate a triangle with this important information. We also know that a plane is flying at 350 miles and it takes 1.8 hours to go from A to B. So 350 miles per hour for 1.8 hours is 630 miles that's traveled from A to B. Now we can figure out angle measures that if we know that this is 82 degrees, then we would know that this part would be 8 degrees because that's a right angle. And so it's 8 degrees by alternate interior angles here. And then subtract the 26 as well. And we've got that angle inside the triangle, 90 minus the 26 minus the 8. And that would leave 56 degrees inside of the triangle. And from angle A, we know that it's 8 degrees here, and then if this was 64, that would be 26 degrees to complete that right angle. So 26 and 8 is 34. Yeah. And we can find the measure at angle C. Again, this is not to scale, but there's always 180 degrees in a triangle. And if we know one is 56 and the other is 34, then this is 90 degrees. And that would be a right angle at C. And we could find the distance from B to C, call it X. Since it's a right triangle, we can use right triangle trig ratios. We have the hypotenuse, and let's say we're going to use angle A That would be the opposite. Opposite in hypotenuse is sine. So the sine of 34 degrees would be equal to the opposite that we want to find over the hypotenuse 630. Multiply 630 to both sides. And then we're ready to calculate in degree mode. 630 sine 34. To the nearest mile would be 352 miles. From B to C is about 352 miles.